Welcome to Toolsmith. Today we're bringing you a full Amazon review of one of the most popular and budget-friendly wood lathe machines available online. If you're a woodworker, hobbyist, or DIY creator, this review will help you understand why this machine has become a top choice for thousands of buyers. Let's dive in. This Amazon wood lathe machine is designed for smooth, accurate, high-speed wood turning. From bowls and spindles to furniture parts, decorative crafts, and detailed shaping, it delivers consistent results with impressive stability. The entire body is built with solid cast iron, which reduces vibration and keeps the machine firmly planted even at high RPM. This is one of the main reasons users rate it highly for performance and durability. The machine features a variable speed system that gives you full control. You can start at low RPM for rough shaping and gradually increase the speed for fine finishing. This flexibility is extremely helpful for beginners learning to control cuts and for professionals focusing on smooth, detailed work. The speed adjustment knob responds quickly, and the motor runs surprisingly quiet, which is a big advantage for home workshops. The tool rest and tailstock are also well designed. They slide smoothly along the bed and lock firmly in place. This ensures proper alignment of your workpiece, allowing you to achieve perfect symmetry with every pass of your turning tool. Many Amazon users praise the tailstock stability, saying it stays locked even during long turning sessions. Another standout feature is the range of accessories included. You get a strong faceplate, wrenches, belts, and sometimes even a starter chisel set depending on the Amazon package. These extras save money and make the machine ready to use straight out of the box. The machine's belt system also works smoothly, maintaining consistent torque during heavy cuts. In terms of safety, the machine includes an emergency stop switch and strong anti-slip feet. This reduces the risk of movement during operation and keeps beginners safer. Many reviewers also highlight the low maintenance required. The motor stays cool, the bearings last long, and the belt rarely needs adjustment.